In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay at store with PayPal 2024 full guide. We're going to walk through exactly how to pay at a physical store using your PayPal app, from opening the app to getting that final confirmation screen at the checkout. This process is quick, secure, and helps you avoid handing over a card. Before we start, make sure your PayPal app is updated and you're signed in on your phone with a stable internet connection. That way, everything runs smoothly once you're at the register. Begin by opening the PayPal app on your phone. As soon as it loads, you'll be on the home screen where all your main tools live. If you haven't used PayPal in a while, give it a second to refresh your balance and recent activity. This doesn't change any steps. It just makes sure the information you see is current. Next, tap Scan or Pay. Depending on your device, it may read Scan to Pay, but it does the same thing. This opens your camera inside the app so you can read the store's QR code. If your phone asks for camera permission, allow it. PayPal needs the camera briefly to scan the code. You won't be recording anything, you're simply reading the code displayed by the store. Now, point your phone's camera at the QR code the store shows you at checkout. You'll usually find it on the payment terminal screen or on a printed sign near the register. Hold your phone a short distance away and keep the code inside the frame. If it isn't catching right away, adjust the angle, step slightly closer or farther, and avoid glare or reflections. The scan should happen in a second or two. Once the code is recognized, your app will display the store name and the amount. Take a moment to confirm the details. Make sure the total matches what you see at the register before you approve. If anything looks off, do not approve. Let the cashier know so they can fix the amount and you can try again. When everything looks correct, approve the payment in the app. You may be prompted for your phone's authentication, such as a passcode or biometric, which adds an extra layer of security. After approval, wait for the confirmation screen. You'll usually see a big checkmark and a success message. Show that to the cashier if they ask. You'll also get a receipt in your PayPal activity, which you can review anytime. That's it. Open the app, tap Scan or Pay, scan the store's QR code, confirm the amount, and approve. Simple, fast, and secure.